So bad.
What do you feel so bad about?
I feel so bad for him.
For who?
For that
Hey, come here and tell me.
For that mailman.
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel so disappointed about it.
Why?
I don't know why.
What are you disappointed by?
That mailman.
Why? What did he do?
He was still working.
What is he supposed to be doing? Come here and tell me.
Spending time with his family.
What is he supposed to be doing?
Spending time with his family. Right? He's supposed to be spending time with his family, right?
Yeah.
So.
Why?
Christmas Eve.
Yeah. So how does that make you feel?
So chaotic. It's disappointed. Can you just stop asking why